Alright, we're out with our Rlaarlo AK-917. We're about to make a success pass. Let's see. Start. 0. Okay. GPS is good, Jess. Wing is not. There. Is it clear? What?
You're down there by the past that fourth floor. Alright, you're good.
Clear?
Clear.
Alright, here we go. You think it's faster? Anything behind me?
Down. You'll no, turn.
What do I hear?
Truck,
It won't turn. Whoa! Oh, I forgot to switch the steering to the higher rate. All right, it was successful. We didn't crash it. It's all cool. The ESC's running that time. That's a good sign, I think. It might be faster. All right, give us a new PB here. What do you think? You think so? Oh, it's the dead same. How is that possible? All right, I give up for the night. Anyway, that ain't bad, but it isn't our PB. All right, just shut off. Actually, we can just leave it like this. Huh?
Dang it.
Oh no, I do gotta take the top off to shut that light off. I know, I'm bummed. How can it not go any faster? Maybe it's just that's just all it's gonna give me with this battery and that gear, that motor. It gets to a point where it just gets hot, you know? Instead of getting any faster. These lights drive me nuts. Shut off. All right, I think I got it. What is? Oh. Yeah. Okay. Let me finish this video, just. All right, we got 142 6S, our Rlaarlo AK-917 Leopard Hobby motor, Mama Monster X8S ESC, BSR foams. AGFRC servo, and China Hobby line 6S battery.